Hello everyone! Welcome to English Tea, and today you will be looking at punctuation. You will be looking at 3 different types of punctuation, the most common types, and how to use them. You will also be given 10 sentences and you need to answer all of those correctly. You need to put the correct punctuation in. First, let's look at different types of punctuation and how and where to use them. The first type is period, and it goes at the end of a normal statement. Like my name is Amira, and that is how a period looks like. It's red. The next type is a question mark, and it goes at the end of a question. And an example is, what is your favorite color? And that is a question, so there goes the question mark. And the last type is exclamation point, and it goes at the end of something exciting or strange. Like, I finally got a new bike. That's really exciting, so there goes the exclamation point. Now let's start with the questions. What punctuation would go at the end of this sentence? I am 11 years old. That's definitely not a question, and that doesn't sound super exciting. It does sound like a normal statement. I think a period would go at the end. That's right, a period would go at the end. What punctuation would go at the end of this sentence? Suddenly, a fire struck. That doesn't sound like a normal statement. That sounds pretty alarming. So I think an exclamation point would go. But we still have the question mark, but it doesn't sound like a question. So an exclamation point would go at the end. Great job! The next sentence is, what time is it? That's not a statement. It sounds more of a question. And it doesn't sound super exciting. So that means the question mark goes at the end. The next sentence is, I am late for school. That sounds pretty alarming. So I think an exclamation point would go at the end. It doesn't sound like a normal sentence, and it doesn't sound like a question. An exclamation point would go at the end. The next one is, I went to the park. Oops, I hope you didn't see that. I went to the park does not sound like a question, and it doesn't sound super exciting, so I think a period would go at the end, and we got that right again. The next sentence is, what school do you go to? That's not a statement, because it doesn't sound normal. It sounds like a question, but it doesn't sound super exciting. What punctuation does it have? A question mark! Great job! You're getting the hang of it. The next one is, it is Wednesday today. Not so exciting, and it's not a question. It is a statement. A period would go at the end. The next one is, I can't wait for my birthday party today. Well, that is not a question, and it's not a normal statement. It does sound a little exciting. So, an exclamation point would go at the end. Going to the next one. What grade did you get on your test? That's not a normal statement, and it doesn't sound really exciting. It does sound like a question. A question mark would go at the end. What punctuation would go at the end of this sentence? Where are we going to go next? Well, it starts with where, which is one of the 5 W's, so it does sound like a question. It does not sound like a normal statement, and it doesn't sound really exciting. A question mark would go next. And those were all the questions, and I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below to get notified for some more engaging videos. Bye!